serious. What because I didn't record it. But when I was done, I have to make some food because I was like, you can't do nothing, like, you can't even win. You can just go to some room, because we don't really need this, you know what I'm saying? You know what, I don't really want it. So we also you don't have to cut down what trees. It's duplicate. Now, my bad, you guys, about the first one. I know I gotta have 15 minutes. Okay. Now, this time I know we have to have 15 minutes. Because I tried to upload the first one, and the first one said, like, it was more than 15 minutes. So, my time, I have to make everything I have to do with is this. This is about how did I get paid, so we can try. So I can try it again. That was really booty. We just gonna make it a small house. When I get more supplies, we gonna make it bigger. And we probably gonna be trying to move it anyways. Like I was saying, it's gonna be a small house. So, at least not that small. But, you know what I'm saying? Not that small. You don't want that small. Let me go back to the arcade house. You know what I'm saying? Let's go back to our arcade house. See a little bit. Let's go back to here. So there. Here's the picture. There it goes. I was about to be turned right again. That should be good though. We can finally go get that dog. Oh, that dog! See, I just be missing out on the stuff that I did. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna try to I'm gonna try to see what I can do first about the I'm gonna have to set a timer. There you go. I'm gonna have to set a timer. This one I'm gonna have to check. I'll probably edit this one. I don't know. I may need to just count 15 minutes. Oh, we got armor. We got enchant armor now. Yeah, but why do you never like the skeletons? The skeleton always real. It's crazy. We need to just head back to the house, to our cave house, because there's zombies out here right now. We don't want to die. We don't want to lose all our stuff. Okay. Where's that bed at now? Did I put a bed down? I had enough to make a bed. No, I ain't got no enough to make a bed. That's sad. Okay. I'm gonna put this armor on. I'm good. Oh, do we have some wool in here? Let's check. Oh, you gotta. Oh, so we did have a bed. So we did have a bed. Let me just sleep to the right. Oh, let me make sure I recharge right here. Let me see I think I can go. We should not be. We should be. We don't gotta be that bad. Okay, there we go. You have to always keep your sword out. Hey, where's that skeleton? Whoa, dude, I be hating when I'm taking on that thing right off a cliff. Even really, so I could actually just take my phone. Whoa, I got to be really looking down. There you go. I just did it. You guys, I just be doing it to ladies. Did you really want to follow me? Oh, this is zombie villager. Oh. I mean, I knew they had it. I knew they had it, but I'm saying like, it must be villagers around here, unless they spawn with the zombies out. I don't know. Okay, so here's the place where we really started getting our stuff. I'm gonna really need the skeleton territory. Yes, I got bones. Yes, I got bones. Okay. But don't mean I have to get that dog now. No, I can get some more. And I can also see a spider and build now. That's good. Okay. I really need to work some bit there. I need to throw some bit out. I think 15 minutes is about out. I don't know. 15 minutes. But you know, I'm making this video very longer. I mean, not longer, but longer. And I'm gonna edit it. I have to edit it. That's why I didn't know that. I didn't know that I had to get 15 minutes. That's why I did. Okay. The reason why I'm in this area because it be wolves in this area and I have bones. So let me see if I don't have time for a spider. Just give me. If I had a spider, I'll actually just try to kill it. Okay. Okay, I took off one. Okay, I heard that. Did you just hear that? I heard that. Let me see, try to see where it is. There it goes. Come here, boy. Oh. Oh, you got train on me? I don't want one right there. Where did it go?